Magician was working on a cruise ship. Since the audience was different each week, the magician did the same tricks over and over again. There was only one problem: the captain's parrot saw the shows each week and began to understand how the magician did every trick. Once he understood, he started shouting in the middle of the show, "Look, it's not the same hat." Or, "Look, he's hiding the flowers under the table." Or, "Hey, why are all the cards the ace of spades?" The magician was furious but couldn't do anything. It was, after all, the captain's parrot. Then one stormy night on the Pacific, the ship unfortunately sank. The magician luckily found himself on a piece of wood floating in the middle of the sea, as fate would have it. With the parrot. They stared at each other with hatred, but did not utter a word. This went on for a day. And then 2 days. And then 3 days. Finally, on the 4th day, the parrot could not hold back any longer and said, "Okay, I give up. Where's the fucking boat?"